Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a 2-month update on the Klipsch RP504C. This is a follow-up to my earlier video. Can an audiophile become a Klipsch fan? After living with this center channel for a while, I can confidently say that my experience has been overwhelmingly positive. The sound quality continues to impress. The RP504C delivers excellent clarity, detail, and presence. These qualities are readily apparent with dialogue and vocals in movies and music. These audio strengths extend to entire movie soundtracks as a whole, giving the overall audio presentation a clean, dynamic feel. I've also been very happy with its off-axis performance. There's only a slight drop in quality when I'm not seated directly in front of the speaker, which is a big improvement over my previous high-end center channel that struggled in this area. Visually, the RP504C brings the classic Klipsch design footprint featuring copper Cerametallic woofers paired with the Tractrix horn. It's a look that stands out and adds a premium touch to any home theater setup. After 2 months, the RP504C has firmly earned its place as my go-to center channel, and yes, an audiophile can become a Klipsch fan. It's worth noting that this model has since been succeeded by the RP504C2, but the original RP504C is still available at significant discounts. Check the description section for links and more info on both versions. If you found the content in this video informative, please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching.